For over 50 years, Cirrus Research has been at the forefront of sound and vibration monitoring, helping businesses worldwide protect their people and their reputations. Today, we are proud to introduce to you the next generation of vibration monitoring, the Triax hand, arm and whole body vibration meter, designed for the tough demands of environments like construction and demolition sites, factories, warehouses and more. With its intuitive interface, license-free software and seamless switching between hand, arm and whole body measurements, the Triax makes vibration risk assessments quicker and easier than before. Every Triax comes with Triax Analysis Pro, our powerful, easy-to-use software that lets you analyze your vibration data and generate the reports you need to stay compliant with workplace health and safety regulations. And the best part, the software is completely free. Workplace vibration is a serious health risk. Long-term exposure can lead to hand-arm vibration syndrome and Raynaud syndrome. These are irreversible conditions that can impact your workers' lives. By monitoring exposure with Triax, you're not just protecting your team, you're protecting your business's reputation and ensuring peace of mind. The Triax Vibration Meter, the smarter way to manage vibration exposure.